In this simulation, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to switch from robot transport to human transport. In just a few clicks, we begin with the robot picking a product from a pallet and placing it into a CNC machine. This is a typical automated process, efficient and reliable, where the robot is performing the task smoothly. Now, first, we place a human controller into the layout to define the worker's behavior. Then, we add the human model and position it where the robot used to be. Next, we interface the human to the same system, ensuring the workflow is the same as before. Let's change things up. We remove the robot and add a human instead. We modify the flow, replacing all robot-specific movements with the human's actions. It's a simple edit, nothing complicated. But there's one issue we need to address when the human picks up the product. The worker appears to walk through the floor. To solve this, we adjust the process node's height to match the ground level, ensuring the human moves naturally without sinking. After making this quick adjustment, we run the simulation again. The human is now performing the same task as the robot, picking up the product and placing it in the CNC machine. As you can see, this transition was quick and easy. It demonstrates how flexible visual components is, allowing you to switch from robot to human transport in just a few clicks without complicated changes or rework. With visual components, making changes to your production layout has never been easier. What once required complex adjustments can now be done in a few simple steps. Visual components turn every idea into real motion.